Yow! What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with eXtine. We're going to go over to some basics today. Basically, just wanted to talk about knives, which is, first step to getting rolling in the kitchen is pick up a knife and chopping some things. And, it's important that you have a good knife. At the same time, though, if you're just getting started, there's a lot of good economy brands that you can buy. In the States, I suggest Kiwi knives. Dexter knives is also another one that is really common in the kitchen industry and is really affordable. Of course, there's plenty of established brands that are a little bit more expensive, like Measurement, Henkel, Global. Shun is my personal favorite. Definitely, if you're kind of a step above just getting started, then spending the money on one good knife is really important. Knives come in a lot of shapes, sizes. This one that is my favorite is kind of a wide santoku, what you would call. You can see some of my other knives on the wall here for different uses. At the same time, again, you really just need one good knife, whether it's just a santoku or something fun like a big old cleaver. They all got their own specialties, but basically, regardless of the knife, what's really important is one, how you hold it, and also how you position your other hand. So as you can see with this knife, I'm kind of grabbing it like a pen right at the top of the heel. Now the knife does have a long handle, but at the same time, when you grab it back here, you don't have the same control as if you grab it up here right on the rim. So that's basically how you should hold the knife with your dominant hand. Now when it comes to your other hand, what's really important is what I like to call the eagle claw grip. And the key here is that your knuckle, your front knuckle, is bent and provides something for you to slide your knife up and down against. Now I'll show the different kind of main cutting techniques in the next video when we start actually getting into chopping. But for now, just want to demonstrate that my blade is rested against this front knuckle, and if I were to cut anything, that's the only spot of my hand that I would cut. And you can just look straight down upon your knife and see exactly when you pick it up how far up you're going. And again, if you're new, you should go slow here. And so if you are dealing with kind of a tall vegetable, as you come up here, you can always just stop. You don't have to go down, so you can really just kind of keep an eye on your knuckle, and if you feel that blade on your knuckle, then you're going to be safe to be able to slice down and not cut yourself. The other key thing here is to not have your thumb come out wide or your pinky. And if you just keep everything else tucked behind that knuckle, you should be nice and safe in terms of not cutting yourself.